So welcome to SustPack 2016 and the second annual Trashies Awards. My name is Steve Mahler from Trashies Industries. And first, I'd like to thank Smithers Pirate, the SBC, Packaging Digest, the participants, and my fellow judges, Lisa Pierce, Victor Bell, Liz Shop, and Kim Carswell. So, for some of you who don't know, this began as an idea to get PIRA and SBC together in a fun way last year, and to get everybody to collaborate on something a lot of fun. This is a recognition award, not something that is for really accomplishments, but to recognize people beyond the package, which has always stood in front of everything in the past. So we have several categories: package, process, partnership, person, and promotion. And next year, the judges have decided to add another category, which will be application, meaning if there's been a really interesting and novel material that takes it to the next step. We want to... not everything's perfect. There's a P in the name.
Perfect application.
There we go. Excellent.
And to that, we are going to recognize somebody for an application with an honorable mention this year, which is for the retained stand-up pouch, which they took their retained polymer modifier last year and turned it into a pouch this year. So they get an honorable mention. Now for this year's awards. How many times have you started a do-it-yourself project and you only find one of the components missing? Thanks to 3M's Patch Primer 4-in-1 applicator, that no longer happens. You have the patch, the primer, the sandpaper, and the scraper all in one. And when you're done, the scraper becomes a keepsake tool for you. So the next time you have a project, you don't have to look for your scraper. It's right there. So coming up to accept the award is Doreen Perper. We've all heard about building a better mousetrap, and by taking fiber to a new place, Billerud Kronos, at a butcher, has done just that with their patented fiber form paper to make a cold form stand-up pouch that offers significant energy savings compared to the typical heated thermoforming process. Think of the graphic possibilities of decorating paper instead of plastic. Accepting the award, Gary Robinson.
Hey everybody, thank you so much. Real happy to be here. Love the SBC. You guys are all like fellow champions out there fighting a good cause, doing innovation and leading with sustainability. Billerud Coarseness, we're really pleased to be accepting the reward. Thank you everybody on behalf of our entire global team. Our CEO has challenged us with a goal. And as you go our booth, you'll see that our goal is to challenge conventional packaging for a sustainable future. And so what this Trashies represents to us today is that we've developed a new technology with paper. It's the world's first 3D cold formal paper. that allows you to take a three-dimensional shape with pressure by applying a force to it. And so we're doing all kinds of layered innovation on top of that. We welcome each and every one of you in this room to cooperate with us in commercialization of technology for brand applications, for even converting applications. And I guess in closing, what I'd like to say is that we have a spectacular event coming up in Miami on June 29th, I believe, 28th and 29th. We're bringing in Terra Expeditions, which is a world-renowned research vessel that's studying the health of our oceans on a global basis. She's going on a 2-year journey to Southeast Asia, and she's going to make a 2-day stop in Miami, Florida, and we're going to host an event there. We would love each and every one of you to come participate, to meet the team at Terra, and to learn about the science of the health of our oceans and how each and every one of us, and the decisions that we make on a daily basis, influence that important situation with the health of our oceans. If you want to find out more information, please come by our booth, see us on our website. I'll be happy to have you be our guest. Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you, SPC. It's an honor. It's a pleasure.
With a zero waste target by 2020, 7th Generation partnered with Credo and Dow to develop a new package for its dishwasher detergent pods. Using the existing pouch manufacturing technology, resin, and recycle-ready technology from Dow, Credo produced a multi-layered polyethylene pouch that is 100% recyclable. An added bonus is that they put the How to Recycle logo on the back of the package to help the consumer figure out how to get it back into the recycling stream. And that's really, really important. Accepting the award, Malcolm Cohn from Credo, Derek Lawrence from 7th Generation, and Stacy Fields from Dow. Please go on up.
Good evening, everybody. The reason that these three companies are represented here tonight is because of our belief in sustainability in packaging. We believe in sustainability, we believe in recycling, we believe in human ethics and environmental health, and we just want to say thank you very much to the judges and for recognizing us. This has been a real true partnership in the making, starting from about 2 years ago. To see the final commercialization of this is surely a representation of the commitment that all three companies have to sustainability.
Yeah, I'd like to echo Malcolm's words. This has been a while in the making. We appreciate everybody's partnership on this, and it's resulted in a great product for us.
And the only thing I'd like to add is a big thank you to the industry for recognizing this effort. At Dow for our packaging. Our Pack Studios is truly living out its creed, which is to collaborate, innovate, and accelerate. And with this partnership, we're able to come together for a worthy cause in the eyes of sustainability and accelerate our efforts to get a package that's now on the shelf, and more importantly, one that can be recycled back in the recycling stream. So we're excited about it, and we challenge you all to look for more opportunities to do this for our industry. Thank you.
Imagine having a room of 80 people, getting them all to agree on one end goal. McDonald's and Hobby Global did just that with their fiber material research program. By 2020, all fiber materials used by McDonald's will be third-party certified as 100% recycled content. The program includes design, sourcing, and recovery. So we can now say that the golden arches have gone green. Accepting the award is Kathleen Banner from McDonald's, Jennifer McCracken, and Amy Bouquet from Hobby Global.
I'd just like to clarify, sorry. It's the goal is for consumer packaging. It's 100% of the fiber-based packaging from 100% verified recycled or certified sources. So I'll let Kathleen speak.
Thank you, and I'm glad to hold this and not have it. We're thrilled to receive this award, obviously, but I just want to make the point that we see this as a long, continuous journey that requires collaboration, continuous improvement, and we're so very pleased to have partners like Hobby and many others, NGOs. I can't even know here, but we envision a world where sustainability is the new normal for our business, our customers, and the world at large, and we look forward to working with all of you to make that happen.
So with that, could we all raise a glass to the people that have been recognized this year? And say congratulations and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you all.